Taylor's method of envy-free fair division. Okay, so the situation that we have here, based on our problem, is that there's a birthday party with 4 guests invited. Each guest needs an equal slice of the rectangular birthday cake that was baked. Using the Brams Taylor method of envy-free fair division, the cake can be divided in a way that allows each guest to select the slice that they are satisfied with the best. Okay, so we have a color coordination scheme here, and red equals the largest slice, yellow is the 3rd largest, green 4th largest, blue is the smallest, and purple are the pieces that were trimmed off of the cake slices. Okay?
And on the papers, when slices are colored the same color, it means they're viewed as equal by that person.
Yes. So as you can see in step 1, all of our slices are colored red because they're viewed equally by Alice, who cut the birthday cake into 5 equal slices initially. So she began the process.
Next, Bob gets to view the cake, and he thinks that the slices are unequal, and the sizes in order of largest to smallest from Bob's eyes are 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So Bob then trims slice 4 and 5 so that they're equal to slice 3. So now there's a 3-way tie from Bob's point of view, and they are all tied for the largest. And these are the pieces that were trimmed off.
So he always tries to create a 3-way tie?
It goes down, the first person who creates a 3-way tie, the second person creates a 2-way tie, and so on.
Because there's 3 people here.
There's 4
There's
people
4.
actually, yeah.
Oh, okay.
So
But there's 5 slices of cake.
But if there were 5 people to start with, would it...
the
Well,
first
I'll let
person-
you guys go.
All right, so for step 3, Carol's up, and she thinks that the slices are unequal. So the sizes in order of largest to smallest, in Carol's point of view, are 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So Carol trims slice 5, so that's equal to slice 4. There's now a 2-way tie for the largest piece from Carol's point of view. Slices 4 and 5 were tied for the largest, so we color coordinated them with the colored orange, sorry. And then in the box here, as you can see, we added a 3rd trimming because she trimmed slice 5. Okay.
Step 4 is when Diane gets the cake, and she also views them as unequal. She is the 4th and final guest, so she gets to choose the piece that she thinks is the largest. In her eyes, she views slice 4 as being the largest, which is why we colored it red, and then slice 4, 3, 2, 1. And so she chooses slice 4, so we just drew that down there.
Step 5, the cake is given back to Carol for her to choose which slice she wants now. From Carol's point of view, the slices 4 and 5 were tied for the largest. Carol must take slice 5, the one that she trimmed, because she viewed it as being tied for the largest, but someone else may think it is too small, which is the envy-free part of the fair division. Carol would have been satisfied with either slices 4 or 5, but Diane took slice...
So should Diane take slice 5?
Oh, but Diane took slice 5, sorry, got confused. So that's fine.
Then the cake is given back to Bob for him to choose which slice that he wants. And from his point of view, he had slices 3, 4, and 5, all is tied for the largest. And since slice 4 and 5 have been taken, he now chooses slice 3. And one of the requirements is that if you trimmed a slice and it hasn't been taken yet, you have to take that slice. And that way you will still be satisfied because you viewed it as being tied for the largest, so you're still satisfied with that.
All right, and the last step, which is step 7, the cake is given back to Alice for her to choose which slice she wants. From Alice's point of view, all the slices were equal to begin with because she cut the cake initially. So due to the fact that slices 3, 4, and 5 have already been chosen, Alice can choose either slices 1 or 2. So in this case, we had Alice choose slice 1, but she could have also chosen slice 2. It was her preference.
And we worked through this and we found out that it still works out even if they had different preference orders. So someone might have viewed slice 1 as being the largest, but no matter how you work it out, someone will always end up with a piece that they chose as being tied for the largest.
We had a lot of cut-out pieces of paper at the library yesterday. We had big stacks. just figured it.